Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise X, and this is episode 148 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He reads the questions, he answers the questions. We read them all and take the cool, the funny, the weird, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, has Carnival stopped delivering liquor to the rooms? Can I bring a pocket knife or a ulu knife back in my luggage from Alaska? When will the Freedom get its whale tail back? Is the social internet package good enough for Facebook Messenger? And if I'm in Nassau, can I go to Celebration Key?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser is wondering if Carnival has stopped delivering liquor purchased in the fun shops to the cabin. They were recently on the Elation, and they bought a couple bottles, like most of us do, and they had to go pick them up. They went there at 6:30 in the morning, and the line was ungodly long. So they were wondering, is this something that Carnival stopped doing? You have to pick up your liquor on all cruises now? John said no, they haven't stopped it, but on shorter cruises, less than 6 days. So if you're on a 3, 4, or 5 day cruise and you purchase liquor on board, then yes, you have to get up in the morning and go collect it. If it is 6 days or longer, you do not need to collect it. They will deliver it straight to your stateroom the night before debarkation. So anything 5 days or less, you gotta go get it yourself. And I mean, honestly, that's kind of deterred us a couple times from getting a bottle because the line is long. Be aware. Question two. This cruiser is going to Alaska, and they wanted to bring home, the post said, a picket knife. I think they meant pocket knife, or an ulu knife, which I think is native to that area, that they sell in the port. They're wondering if they bought those, can they bring them back on the ship and pack them in their luggage and take them home? And John said, no, that's a weapon. So absolutely not. You cannot bring any sort of knife back on board. He did say all of the Alaskan shops know this, especially in the cruise port areas, and they have a little post office, if you will. But they have something set up to where you can pay, obviously, a little bit of freight, but they will package it for you and they'll send it straight to your house. So when you get home, it's there. So can you buy them? Yes. Can you bring them on the ship? No. Can you get them? Yeah. So if you like to get a knife, it'll be there when you get back home. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. On to question three. This cruiser asked if the Carnival Freedom will ever get its whale tail back. If you didn't know, it's lit on fire twice and literally burnt off, fell onto the ship. So it is driving around with a almost Costa-like looking stack without the iconic whale tail on there. And they want to know, is it ever going to get it back? It's got it back once already. John said, don't be sad about it, but it will eventually. But right now, there's no plans to do it. So they have to take the boat out of circulation, if you will, to put that on. And that is going to ruin a lot of people's cruises that already booked a cruise. So they're going to do it. He didn't say when, but right now there's no plans to do it because there's so many cruises booked on that ship. So there you go. Question four. This cruiser has seen mixed things about the social internet package, probably on social media. And the Carnival website isn't very clear. They wanted to know if you can get Facebook and Facebook Messenger with the social internet package, which I believe is the entry-level package, if you will. John said, yes, you can. And I would agree 100%. We don't use the Hub app to message because, frankly, it sucks. You should see how many questions John gets about this on a daily. It sucks. We don't use it. So if you want to Facebook message people, just get the social package and you can actually set it up to go to your wristwatch or smart watch. I have a Fitbit. So yeah, social package, which is the entry level one, will work for Facebook and Facebook Messenger. Last question. This cruiser asked if they have a stop in Nassau, can they go to Celebration Key once it opens? John said, unfortunately, no. Celebration Key is in Grand Bahama, which is not anywhere near Nassau. So, as the islands go, it is actually kind of close. But if they're going to go from the Nassau to Celebration Key, let's just say a tender boat that holds a couple hundred people, that thing goes 3 miles an hour. It's never going to get there and back in time for you to even enjoy anything. So, just book a cruise that goes to Celebration Key. They're going to have their own pier. It's going to be amazing. We're going in July, end of July, and I think it's going to be great. So that's been episode 148 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.